Hello everyone, welcome to Vidwan Academy. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the various organizations which are very important for our upcoming exam, their headquarters and their establishment year, and there are some short tricks to remember this organization. So let's start. So our number one short trick is organization that is starting with the word world and ending in organization has its headquarters in Geneva, that is in Switzerland. So let's see what are the organization. Our number one organization is World Health Organization, that is WHO, which was established in 7th April 1948. Headquarters is Geneva. Next is World Meteorological Organization, which was established in 23rd March 1950. Next is World Intellectual Property Organization, which was established in 14th July 1967. Next is our World Trade Organization, which was established in 1st January 1995. Next is International Labour Organization, that is ILO, which was established in 1919. See, all these organizations having headquarters in Switzerland, Geneva. So next go to our next trick, that is organization related to money having their headquarters in Washington DC. That is in USA, that is United States of America. So let's see what are the organizations. So our two organizations, that is International Monetary Fund IMF, which was established in 1944 having headquarters in Washington DC, and another one is World Bank. So all the banking related sector that is related to World Bank. So World Bank, which was established in December 1945 having headquarters in Washington DC. So next go to our another trick, that is organization related to industrial development, petroleum or atomic research having their headquarters in Vienna, that is in Austria. So let's see what are our organization. So number one is United Nations Industrial Development Organization, that is UNIDO, which was established in 1966 having headquarters in Vienna. Next is International Atomic Energy Agency, which was established in 29 July 1957 having headquarters in Vienna. Next is our Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC countries, which was established in 14th September 1960 having headquarters in Vienna. So next another trick is organization related to education and economy having headquarters in Paris. So let's see what are our organization. One is International Council on Monuments and Sites, that is ICOMOS, which was established in 1965 having headquarters in Paris. Next is our UNESCO, which full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which was established in 16th November 1945 having headquarters in Paris. Next is our Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, that is OECD, which was established in 1961 having headquarters in Paris. So now these are some organizations which are also coming in exam. One is United Nations Organization, which was established in 24th October 1945 having headquarters in New York, that is United States of America. And another in our UNICEF. So full form of UNICEF is United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, which was established in 11th December 1946 having headquarters New York, that is in USA. Another one is our United Nations Population Fund, that is UNFPA, which was established in 1969 and the headquarters is New York, USA. And next is UN Women, that which was established in July 2010 having headquarters in New York, USA. And the last one is our United Nations Security Council, UNSC, which was established in 24th October 1945 having headquarters in New York, USA. So these are all these the important organization headquarters and the establishment year, which are very important for our general awareness part. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So thank you very much. Stay healthy and keep learning.